Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Top Widget Lock Screen. To begin, access your device's lock screen customization settings. Look for the option to add or modify widgets, typically found by long pressing the lock screen or navigating through display settings. Once there, select the designated Top Widget area. You'll then be presented with a selection of available widget types to choose from, allowing you to personalize your device's glanceable information. Now that you've selected your widgets, it's time to personalize them. You can easily adjust their size and position on the lock screen to fit your preferences, often by dragging and dropping. Dive into individual widget settings to configure specific details, such as data sources for weather or stock information, or display preferences for calendar events. Explore the various styles and themes available to match your device's aesthetic, giving you complete control over the look and feel. Let's explore some practical uses for your top widgets. Many users enjoy displaying quick access to their 3 most frequently used applications, saving valuable seconds. Others find real-time information, like current weather updates or live stock prices, incredibly useful at a glance. You can also integrate your upcoming calendar events or important reminders directly onto your lock screen, ensuring you never miss a beat throughout your busy day. These widgets offer immediate utility. To truly maximize your top widget experience, consider a few best practices. First, prioritize essential information to avoid clutter. Aim for no more than 4 key pieces of data. Regularly review and update your widget selections as your needs change, perhaps weekly. Don't hesitate to experiment with different combinations and layouts to discover what works best for your daily routine. This iterative approach ensures your lock screen remains both functional and aesthetically pleasing.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.